And this is the best pickup before the lockdown or close up of the Nike factory store. As you can see, we got a bunch of Jordan retro here and a couple on those bags in here. Ooh, what do you think on this one? It's not bad, right? Let me open it for you. What's up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. Nolasco here, and this channel we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff. And this episode is one of those best pickup that I found before the closing of the Nike factory store because of the virus. So let's go and check them out. And as you can see, we got the Air Jordan 10 retro, and this one is still on retail, and this one is the camo, and there's no additional discount, but it's not bad for this one because they are still selling good and it's almost out of stock. As you can see, there's only 2 lines in it already here, so it's already almost gone. Moving on with the another Jordan Pro React Z, and this colorway is kind of something really nice, and it's kind of crazy with this React bottom right here with the Jumpman and some zipper. Well, what do you think? Jordan Pro Max 720 is next, and this one is much better, I believe. This one is, it comes with the 720 air bubble and Jumpman in the back. Nice color, $79.97. Well, what do you think? Would you cut this one for basketball? I would still wait for 30 though. Next one, we got the Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 34 and $49.97 with the additional 30, and but the color is kind of wow. But the price, and it is a very nice running shoes. Why not if you are in the budget for this one, and they had a good sizes. Next one, we got the Nike Lab Sandfly SP. Well, this one is much better. $69.97 with additional 30. This one is one of those hype sneakers a year ago, but they are sitting right here now in the outlet for $69.97 with 30. And here we go, $159.99. And this Air Jordan Retro with this Ferrari team. What do you think? Huh? Well, I like the color. I don't have this one in the collection yet, but I believe this one's gonna be the best find of the week before the closing of the Nike factory store, so maybe I'll grab them. So you already seen on the sneak peek, we pick up a lot of this shoe, huh? We got the Air Jordan 14 Retro SE. So the Ferrari, huh? Yep. There we go. Excited to have them. Wow, huh? Some will be in the collection and some will be resale. Well, the colorway on this one is the black and anthracite, mostly black and red accent of the Ferrari going on here. How much did I get them for? So excited to be. Okay, so here you go. The receipt is right there. Air Jordan 14 Retro SE, and they were selling for $159.99. But then we have a 30% off, which is 48, and with additional 10%, it came down to 100. As you can see, 100. There you go. Final price is 100. So excited. So the retail on this one is 200 Jordan Retro. Got them for 100. Nice, huh? Would really love to have them in the collection. Boom. There you go. That price alone is not bad. Not bad for resale and not bad for the collection. Huh? I like it. So what do you think? Are you gonna buy them for personal pair or for just resale? So what do you think? I would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.